it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive. Just you and I. Just you and I. Only you.
It's a beautifully cloudy day in Jamaica, and today we are headed to Clarendon. Okay, I think it's only fitting that we head to Clarendon, being that the king of Clarendon passed away this week. Condolences to the family of Merciless. Alright, so we're heading to Clarendon and we're heading to Murray's Jerk Center, to be specific. Well, I wanted to take my son to Murray's because I wanted to take him to taste the jerk rabbit. I've had it years ago when I was about 18 years old and it was amazing. So I wanted to take him and let him try it as well as my mother. So we headed out to Murray's and it is at, I think it's a little bit past 4 past Clarendon, like you're heading to Mandeville if you're coming from Kingston End, and if you're coming from Mandeville End, it is closer to Maple. Alright, so Murray's Jerk Center has been around for a very long time, but they have recently upgraded. I think it's like running about 20 years since their inception, but they have done a little upgrade and made the place nice. And guys, I'm gonna tell you, I love the fact that they continued their tradition of jerking the best. Okay, so it is world famous. Persons who come to Jamaica wants to taste the authentic Jamaican jerk, and Murray's have been consistent in bringing you just that. They have done some upgrade and made the place a little bit more nice and fancy, but you still smell the pimento wood jerking the jerk on the outside. Alright, so this is the deck area where you can actually sit, because they have 2 options for seating. You can sit outside or you can sit inside. Now this area is open, it has a roof, but it is open, so the air is flowing through. There's a bar. It is really nice and rustic, but it brings a little bit of modern feel to it. So there is TVs, sporting events running on the TVs, and also you can just hang out with your friend. This place is actually a nice little Sunday evening, Saturday evening chill out spot for you to just hang out. And then okay, so this is the jerk pit, people. You see that? So yes, as I was saying, this is a Saturday evening, Sunday evening chill out spot. You don't feel like you're cooking, want to go somewhere to hang out, this is the place to be. There are options. If you don't want to sit here and dine, then you can just come to the front and buy and go, as well as you can sit and dine. They offer chicken, pork. We're gonna get to the menu after this. Of course, we're gonna have to take a little bit of picture, and here's my son flicking it up. Well, he thought I was taking a picture. I was actually doing a video. Oh my god. Now, up next is the menu. It's Murray's Fish and Jerk. So they have jerk fish, brown stew fish, escabeche fish. They also had a little bit of curry goat in there, because Jamaica is not, if you don't, everything in Jamaica has to be served with curry goat, okay? Alright, let's just leave it at that. So they also have pork and chicken, which is their specialty, and then they have the jerk rabbit also. Should also note that there is a little section on the side that has Devon House ice cream. That is just really wonderful. You know that the owner for Murray's is also the owner for Seven Crave. So yes, the thing up. Alright, let's get down into our fish tea, because that's what we ordered.
How is your fish tea?
It's great. I like it. Because fish tea, you have to cook without pepper, and it's really spicy like that.
So the right amount, balance of pepper.
Balance, overpowered nothing.
Yeah?
Right.
How's your fish tea?
Amazing. really taste the, you can really taste the good texture. Yeah.
Oh my god.
The pepper is not really too much and not too little. It's just right.
Right. Oh wow.
That nice zing.
It give you that nice zing.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So Murray's looking good. So far, so good. Yeah. Yeah.
I still don't know why you guys did the bunny like that.
We're gonna be eating bugs.
Poor bugs.
All right. So now I'm gonna try my fish tea. Very first time having fish tea at Murray's. I'm used to the jerk. This is the premier spot for jerk. Alright, Miss Nikki. Bring on the rabbits. Come on, go ahead and put it right there. Thank you. Thank you. Bring on next cran water, please. I already buy that one here at the bar. One more cran water, please.
So this is what we order for our entrees. For the appetizer, you saw that we got the fish tea. For the entrees, we got barbecue wings and fries, and then we have the jerk rabbit, bugs, and a festival. This is like a quarter pound of rabbit. We also, as a safety meal, we got curry goat and roti, just in case the rabbit not nice, we're not hungry, right? So we also got a plate of curry goat and roti to share for the table. This is mine, rabbit and festival. Let's dive right in. Alright, so let's dive right in and deal with the rabbit. Okay, first bite, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it never appealing, it never gave me what I was looking for, but it was very tender and very juicy. So it wasn't dried out. You know, a lot of times when people jerk, it dry out, but it wasn't dried, and it was very tender, so I appreciated that. Honest truth is, not much to say on the rabbit. Not much to say on the rabbit at all, but I gave it my best shot because I'm not about to waste these coins. So I went on. I powered through, guys. I powered through. Now let's get down to the goodness. Curry goat and roti. No, curry goat in Jamaica. Curry goat is like a staple food. It's like right up there next to our national dish. Wherever any function, keeping funeral, wedding, you have to have curry goat. There must be curry goat to sprinkle even the gravy. Alright, so curry goat, for the persons who are not Jamaican, is actually just a mixture of curry, turmeric most people use, and a lot of season and spices, and then that is curried down in somewhat like of a stew. Right, and then we adapted our roti from the persons who are from India, because you know it's out of many, we are one. And before I start, don't mean in the comment section why may I eat the roti with my hand. I refuse to eat roti with knife and fork. Listen to me, roti was meant to be dipped and soaked into that curry gravy. Okay, I'm sorry, I refuse to eat roti with knife and fork. Maybe fight you for that. It is supposed to go into the curry gravy. I am not ashamed. No, curry goat, you're supposed to taste the flavor, you're supposed to taste the spices, you're supposed to taste the tender and the textureness of the goat, right? We don't really like eat she goat in Jamaica either. It must be rammy. You're supposed to taste the flavor from the male goat, right? Which is like it's not as trashy as the female goat, right? So yes, so this goat was perfect. It was perfectly cooked. It was perfectly seasoned. I love this blend and the spices, and I get a couple of pimento beans in it. You know, that is not a turn off for me. I'm like, yes, Scotch bonnet pepper, well seasoned, and then look at that curry gravy, guys. Look at that curry gravy. Dip and dip. Love that, guys. If you're new to the channel, remember to don't leave without your drop a subscription. Yeah, drop a subscribe, like, comment, and stay tuned. See it here now, aftermath, empty shellings, plate clean. Yeah, now on to dessert.
Thank you, my darling. Bill first? Yes, please. Ooh, Raji, check out one. Biggie man, I'm afraid. Right, do it with mine too. Ooh. Oh wow, come Raji, cheers. Alright, so how did you enjoy Maurice?
Very good.
Alright, let us break it down. So, this is your first time at Maurice, both of you. Alright, so upon entrance, how did you feel? Did you feel welcome? Was it really nice?
Yeah.
You know,
It
it was
feel
just
really nice.
home friendly. It was just really
Like a nice like a Sunday
friendly
evening chill
environment.
place,
Yeah,
don't?
yeah.
Like,
Yeah.
you don't feel like if you cook Sunday, you just want a little stroll? Saturday evening?
yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yes, it's a nice
I
little
like
chill
it. I want
spot.
nice little hideout.
Yeah.
You know, you get away from people where you know every day. So
Okay.
it's a nice little hideout.
Okay. Alright. So what I ordered the jerk rabbit. Mommy also ordered the jerk rabbit. Roger get the barbecue wings with fries. And we also order curry goat and roti. Now on a scale of 1 to 10, we're gonna do the rabbit first. Yes, you did not order anything, you don't have any say. On a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate the rabbit?
I rate the rabbit like a 5. Me not go no further, honestly. Because it never seasoned the way how it's supposed.
Yeah?
Plus, no pepper, it's not spicy at all.
It tastes very jerky.
No.
You taste the smoke, but you never.
Yeah, it's not ready.
Yeah.
It's not ready.
Not ready.
Me never really put the hot pepper sauce on it.
Yeah.
Make me not think me could have managed to eat it.
Okay.
You know, so the hot pepper sauce with the ketchup, that make me
Bring it up.
And I mean,
Yeah.
say it there already. Cause a rabbit. You know?
Yeah. Honestly, I echo her sentiments. It was very flat. It was not. I did not taste the season. I did not taste the pimento wood. It did not give me what I was looking
Like a jerk.
for.
And you're saying it's jerk, you know?
Yeah,
It wasn't there.
but it was very tender.
It was cooked.
It was cooked, man. It was very tender. It was very juicy. So it never did dry out. But they
Just
miss
the spice
on the
to bring the flavor home.
yes,
Wasn't
it
there.
was not there. As for the barbecue wing thing, it was very sweet.
It was very sweet.
That was-
I only had one left.
Yeah, it was very
because
sweet.
It was very sweet.
It was very sweet, so that was a no. But
The festival was
how
good.
would you rate your?
And the curry goat wasn't too bad.
Yeah, man, we are going to eat curry goat,
Yes,
man. We
yes.
not reach there so yet. How do you rate your chicken wing?
Alright, me rate it a 7.5.
7.5. Yes, the festival was very good, honestly. Yes, we got the festival with the rabbit, and that was very good. Never highly,
festival was
never tough. So the festival was really good. As for the curry goat now, which was our safety net, we got the curry goat as a safety net just in case the rabbit never ate, right? And we were right. How do you rate the curry goat?
Curry goat, me that get a 8.
Yeah.
9.
8.
But I get a 9. But I get a 9 to
It
John.
still never have no spice. It never have
But I
no
get a
pepper.
9. It was
You know,
seasoned.
it was cooked. It was
The
seasoned.
curry
It was
did nice,
yes,
like a real
curry.
Indian
You know,
curry them put in
just
it.
wasn't
Yeah.
Yes.
having
And
any-
it's staying plate.
And it's tea and plate,
Yeah,
which is
man.
a key component of the curry.
Yeah, man, the curry was
Yeah.
like a 8. Me I give it a 8.
We're gonna give it a 9. Grandma gave it a 8. The roti was really good too. I love it. I love how they did it. It was really fluffy and light. Love it. Overall, what's the score that you're gonna give Murray's overall? Would you come back? Would you recommend other persons to come to Murray's and try it out for themselves? How do you rate
Overall,
chilling
I
on the
give them
farm
a
with
8.
Murray?
A 8 overall.
Overall, you give it a 8.
Overall, I'm give it a 10.
Overall, you give it a 10. Actually, you think it's
Yeah.
a really nice little place to hang out and chill out?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would give it a 9. But as I said, I guess I'd have to try. I don't know what other things on the menu is like, but I think the variety is a lot. There's a lot of things here that you can choose from. They have a Devano's ice cream where you can come and, partake in that also. So that was really good. I think that was wonderful. This is been a long time since we post a video of this nature, and of course I hope that you do enjoy it. Remember to leave us a thumbs up before you go, and happy Sunday. Have a wonderful day, and comment down below if you like my new do. Bye. Say bye, AC. Say bye, AC. Bye.